How to change typing language in WhatsApp. So if you want to change your typing language on your WhatsApp application, then first you need to open up your WhatsApp. And before changing the language or before going to the further process, make sure that you have a Google board or Google keyboard. So if you don't have that, you can go for your Play Store, go for the search and then search for Gboard or Google board. Here you will have the Gboard or the Google keyboard. You can simply tap on install and install this application, and once you've installed, make this Google board or Gboard your primary keyboard by going to your settings. And once you've made that primary keyboard, now you can open up your WhatsApp application. Once you've opened, you can go for any chat. Once you're here in the chat, you can simply tap on the spacebar, or you can simply tap and hold on to your spacebar and it will change the keyboard language. So from here you can go for language settings and tap on add keyboard, and then you can choose any language that you would like to add to your keyboard. So for example, I'll be choosing Filipino. Tap on that and then you can choose any one of these, and here you will have your keyboard. So you can simply tap on done, which is on the bottom of your screen, and here you've added the language. So now tap on Filipino and that's it. Now go back, and here if you tap and hold your space bar, you can choose Filipino, and then you will have your Filipino keyboard. So that's it. That's how you can change your typing language on your WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.